Hi, welcome to this video. How to convert video into cartoon in Capcut. So all you gotta do, head over to your project and already selected the part where I want to convert my video into a cartoon. Let's say this part. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna press Effect, Style, and I'm gonna choose my design. So let's say I want to turn this part or this clip into cat. I'm gonna wait for a few moments. Windows, right? You see the final result. And we'll go to the next part. Or let me go ahead and add a freeze here. Go back, press Effect, Style, and another design. Let's say Muscle Man. I'm gonna wait for it to apply the animation. You out. So you can see here. This is the final result. Right? Now, all I gotta do is just add a little bit of motion. So I'm gonna add animation to this part. Windows activation. Right? And this part. Animations. So let me add you out of the. Right, so I'm gonna play now the video. Activation errors can lock you out of important Windows features. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix common Windows activation problems. Consider liking this video, subscribe, and it really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.